day my liver was stolen, I thought I was going to die.
Hey Leo, I got some bad news.
Yeah?
Look, Leo, don't freak out. There's a lady. She lives right in your area.
She's a healer.
Charlotte the Chakra here.
I think she can help you heal.
Damn, that's a pretty fucking good fruit shake right there. What's the secret ingredient?
Mushrooms.
Leo, you must to bear!
Fucking hate you, Leo. I hate you.
What other option did I have?